Hi, everybody. These are our directions for phase change 1. It's going to be the first time that we've used this sim in Amplify. And the first thing you're going to have to do is come up to the hamburger up here like that. I already had it on there. And you're going to want to come down to the phase change sim. And it looks similar in a way to one we were in earlier. And that's our thermal energy sim we were using back in November that had the little dots with the colors on it. This one's kind of similar looking, but it doesn't have two sets of them. So you're going to click this and you're going to come to the following screen when Amplify decides to open here. There we go. And what you've got is you've got these substances over here on the right, and you can toggle through them. And the first question just wants you to toggle through them without anything else and just to tell what you notice is the difference between them before you do anything. And the second one will ask you to hit the play button. That's this one right there. And play button will actually put it into motion because we know there's really no such thing as a stopped particle, because that would be absolute zero, and we know that that doesn't occur anywhere now. So when you hit the start button, all of a sudden things will start changing what they're doing, and then you want to again toggle through all of the I'll pause it for a minute. You're going to want to toggle through all of these to see how all of these are behaving. And notice we're keeping it at the same temperature the whole time for questions 1 and 2. Then for question 3, you are going to start changing the temperature, and you simply do that with these buttons right here. If you hit the plus, it'll raise the temperature. If you hit the minus, it'll lower the temperature. And as you do that, you'll see an impact on what's going on with these particles in the simulation here. And basically all the questions today are kind of asking you about what these particles are doing when we add energy, take them away, or how they're changing from substance to substance. So really, this is a pretty simple one, and it's really mostly review. We use a number of different sims in this. We only use this particular sim like on 2 other lessons, and then we'll do some ones out of Gizmo and PhET. And the key is kind of look at what all of them have in common, because they all share some things, and they should. They're all talking basically about the same thing, which is the change in particle behaviors with phase change. And then finally in question 5, guys, this goes back to a lab that we did in class, boy, probably 3 months ago. And that was where we had the hot and the cold water that we put 1 drop of food coloring in each one. And we saw in the hot water, the food coloring spread out very quickly. And in the cold water, it spread out very slowly and kind of was veiny when we put in. So that's the one that question 5 is referring to. So at any rate, guys, that's it for days. This should be a pretty simple one, I think. Just follow the directions for each question and you'll be good to go. All right. Thanks for watching.